In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import credit card transactions into QuickBooks Online. This is an essential skill for small business owners and anyone managing their finances through QuickBooks, as it helps streamline your accounting processes and ensures that your financial data is always up to date. Let's dive into the steps to get this done efficiently. First, you'll need to navigate to the Transactions section, which you'll find located on the left-hand panel of your QuickBooks Online dashboard. This area is your go-to hub for managing all the financial activities linked to your account, helping you keep everything organized and easily accessible. Once you're in the Transactions section, direct your attention to the Bank Transactions tab. Clicking on this tab will bring you to the area where you manage banking and credit card activities, setting the stage for our next steps. This tab is specifically designed for recording and reviewing financial transactions from your bank and credit cards, making it fundamental for maintaining an accurate financial picture. Now, look towards the top right corner of your screen and spot the caret icon located next to the Link Account button. This icon is crucial as it offers additional options for bringing your transaction data into QuickBooks Online. Click on this icon to reveal a drop-down menu. In the drop-down menu that appears, you'll want to select Upload from File. This option allows you to directly import data from a file on your computer into QuickBooks Online, enabling you to easily integrate your credit card transactions without needing a direct bank connection. At this point, you'll need to choose the specific credit card account for which you're importing transactions. If you're importing transactions for a brand new credit card that isn't yet registered in your QuickBooks, you'll need to create a new account for it within QuickBooks. This ensures that all your transactions are associated with the correct account, helping you maintain clear and accurate records. The final step involves simply uploading the file that contains your credit card transactions. Make sure your file is in the supported format. Usually, this will be a CSV, QBO, or OFX file. Once uploaded, QuickBooks Online will process the transactions and integrate them into your system, allowing you to review and categorize them as necessary to ensure your books stay balanced and accurate. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully imported your credit card transactions into QuickBooks Online. This straightforward process not only saves you time, but also minimizes errors and keeps your financial records consistently up to date. Remember, maintaining accurate financial data is crucial for making informed business decisions, and QuickBooks Online makes it easier to achieve that. Thanks for watching, and happy accounting!